This is going to be quick and fast. The butter's in the skillet. It's on relatively high heat. The shrimps are going in there. And these shrimps are 1 ounce a piece with the shell. And I cut that deep so it has that nice rounded look. And we're putting everything in there together. And the butter, the pepper, the salt, the smoked paprika, and a shot of olive oil, just so it adheres. Mix it up. I'm going to serve this with rice and some broccoli, and this is our dinner tonight. Sorry, I got to get that all over there. High flame. Move over here now. I'll use a wooden tool so we don't have a lot of noise. That's a high flame. Get it in there. Like I said, these shrimps are 1 ounce each. You know, there's 21.25 to a pound, and then there's under that, I think it's 16.20. But these are exactly about an inch. These are, because I weighed each of them, and they're almost exactly 1 ounce each, which is kind of strange, but that's the count that this is. 16 to a pound. Nice high flame. It has a nice aroma, and the wine is going to go in a second. Because these shrimps don't take long to cook. And the amount of time this is for the 1 ounce shrimp. Now we put the wine. Notice how they curl up, just like they do when you have them in a Chinese restaurant. They're just about done. Notice. I'll be able to set up the plate. Shh, too much noise, sorry. And that's it. Shut that off, because we are done. Get my scoop out. Get the rice. Put the rice down. Next, place the shrimps neatly around. $5 a piece. That's how I wrapped it up, so that's what they're getting. I'm getting. And some broccoli. Then after the broccoli, I'm going to put a little of this I won't say sauce. Yeah, you say sauce, that's what it is. Scoop this up, put it on the shrimps. Banging again. And there you go. How's that? And it's going to taste good.